What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 19th of May. We're taking a look this morning at Bitcoin Cash / the United States dollar. This will be a daily chart. This data will be from Bitstamp. Guys, looking quite bullish here, in my opinion, on Bitcoin Cash. We're going to take a look here at what's going on in recent price action. But before we get there, I want to welcome all of the new subscribers, guys. So we have a history here of Bitcoin Cash. I mean, this thing is all over the board, okay? So we have highs up here in the 4,300 level back in the 17-18 bull run in cryptocurrency. We have lows all the way down to 76, roughly, even a little bit lower, 73, 72 back in the 2019. We find ourselves right now sitting at the $400, almost $500 mark for BCH. We actually have something pretty important taking place right now. I saw this morning here on this Sunday morning and figured, hey, I better get on here, make a video, share it with the viewers on the channel. Maybe they can get an early start on something potentially much bigger here, guys. Of course, not financial advice. So let's do a recap here at what took place. We have a higher low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have right here, guys, a higher low for the BCH Bitcoin Cash chart. And if you've been following these videos, or if you are new, when we see a higher low, that is an early indication of something to come here, a bullish leg to the upside, looking for that higher high. Well, we actually have a higher high so far today. We have today's candle is printing a new high. So we have a high today of 496.78, and then our most recent, our last high, 496. We have a change in trend, guys, for Bitcoin Cash back to the upside. That is quite bullish, in my opinion. We have some upper targets we want to talk about for Bitcoin Cash, assuming this can hold and continue higher. Now, if this starts to fade aggressively today, and then we get follow through on tomorrow's candle, and we continue to trade lower, there's a good chance that this higher high is failing, and we're actually going to be trending lower. But with Bitcoin moving higher, this could be a time here where it's going to hold. We have the higher low, we have the higher high, and we can talk about some upper price targets. So for Bitcoin Cash on this chart, this is the Bitstamp data chart. Depending on where you're looking at Bitcoin Cash, you might have some variation in pricing. But we have a target number 1, which we are very close to right now as a resistance level, 499.04. That's $499.04 right here. It's in yellow. Here's the price, so you can see it with ease, 499.04. We're very close to that. We hit 496.78 for today's high. Moving our way up here, guys, which is a very solid zone, a very solid breakout if we get there. It also takes us above this lower high over here on the 22nd of April, $529.69. $529.69. That would be a very nice target to hit here, and obviously give us that confirmation that we are trending higher. All these are is areas that I look for price to get to and find some resistance for a period of time. We have another one above the market there, guys, at 536.71. 536.71. We have another one, 591.40. $591.40. Let's take a look before we move on what that's going to look like on a percentage return if we get up to there. So the 499, you're at about a 1.4% move higher in price. 529.69, you're at about a 7.6%. You're at about a 9% to $536. 591 is going to put you up roughly about 20 or plus percent. 20%. Wow, very, very nice here. especially for a product that's already, call it $500. I mean, wow. Well, things start to get even better than those. We have some even higher price targets. And let me share a little insight here. If this Bitcoin rally holds and continues higher and puts in new all-time highs, we will see a Bitcoin Cash way up at these levels that we're going to talk about right now, and probably much higher. Our next target above the market is a level of $740.17. That takes us above this most recent major high over here, put in place on the 5th of April, so really not that long ago. $740.17, way up here, guys. We have another one to talk about, even higher, $858. Now we're starting to get close to that $1,000 mark. $858.17, way up here. Keep in mind, Bitcoin Cash reached $4,300 back in the one of the most publicized bull runs in cryptocurrency in 2017, 2018. 858.17 is the Bitcoin Cash. Let's look what that says on our percentage calculator here. 50% move up there to $740. Incredible returns if that took place. 74% at $858. Guys, a couple key takeaways here from this morning's video is I want to see a nice close today. I want to see a nice strong close, a higher close. We want to close in the upper end of this candle. Hey, if we can hit 499 and close either at it, slightly above it, or maybe even slightly below it, that's good enough in my book. But we'll see. It's at a critical zone. We are getting a higher high today. Let's see if they push the market lower and it starts to look like a failed breakout, or do they close it strong? And they close it in the upper end of the range, maybe around 499, like I said. So that's what I'll be watching as this Sunday starts to unfold here. And then, we just watched prices above the market of, assuming price does continue, 529, 536, 591, and then, 740, 858. This is all for starters, guys. If this thing really starts to break out here and hold, we will be in for a very, very nice run to the upside for Bitcoin as well as Bitcoin Cash. You can purchase Bitcoin Cash probably on most exchanges. You can definitely purchase it on Uphold. I will leave a link down below. You can purchase it on Coinbase for starters. You can probably even purchase it on something like the Cash App or something like that. I even thought I remember seeing it like you could buy it on PayPal or something, but don't hold me to that. But anyways, it's it's easy to access Bitcoin Cash. Of course, guys, not financial advice. Please make your own financial decisions. These markets are looking good right now. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are not yet a subscriber, join us here on the channel. Appreciate all you guys. Looks like we gained about 700 plus subscribers in the past couple weeks. Nice to see the channel growing and all of the interest in the cryptocurrency markets. Guys, you have a great Sunday. Here is Bitcoin Cash. It's in a very critical moment here. Is this a giant topping pattern here, or is this breakout going to actually hold and take us to the upside? The last time it tried to break out, which was basically on the 7th of May, it failed and we traded lower. We're back up to that important area. Does it actually hold this time and continue higher? You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.